Okay, on today's service call, I have an AC system that keeps freezing up and it will not shut off. So, let's check it out and see what's going on. We'll shut off from the breaker inside, which is why it's not frozen right now. On the outside, we don't know how the inside is yet. Yeah, it'll work, but it's gonna freeze up again when you turn it off, so. What? I don't know yet. I won't know for a little while. I could do everything from right here. That's most likely our cup. Looks like it's almost welded together. Now before I do anything, this is where I'm going to start. I'm just going to disconnect my power. Okay, and we're still on. Bad contactor. This should have turned off since now I don't have 24 volts here. Well, let me go grab a contactor and then we gotta swap this thing out. And I unplugged the wrong unit. Whoopsie. Yeah, it's okay. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. To a better spot. With a new contactor. Gonna swap this out real fast. Doom, 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 doom. Even though the disconnect's pulled, always check. I've had times the disconnect blade just stays 0. And I also disconnected my thermostat wire. Okay. Nothing else is over there. To unplug this stuff. It's easier while it's still screwed down. And try to unplug that stuff when it's disconnected. Now either turn off inside or disconnect your thermostat wiring to not ground or short yourself out and kill your transformer. This thing is still welded shut. Usually they free up at this point. I might damage my spade connector. And if you do, replace it. Too many times I see these loosen up from what I just did, and they don't stay tight. Oh, that's still tight. Okay. Whew. Also, make sure they're not on those line voltage. I didn't get them in all the way. Whoa. I mean, look, that thing is still nothing connected to it. It's still welded shut. Myself a little bit of wire to work with. On, off, on, off, on, off. Good. Two good connections. Oh, I'm Bill the HVAC hacker, and we're about to turn this on, and everything's just gonna work like it always does. Let's see, it's the back disconnect, not the front. Back online. Still behind me, back online. I'm Bill the HVAC hacker. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I'm out.